Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of high-resolution monitors. Specifically, the LG UltraFine UHD 27-inch 4K monitor, a powerhouse display that's making waves in the market. Now, if you're a MacBook Pro M1 user like myself, you know the struggle of finding the perfect external monitor that complements your setup. Well, look no further because the LG UltraFine UHD 27-inch monitor is here to save the day. First off, let's talk about resolution. With a stunning 4K UHD 2160p display, this monitor delivers crystal-clear visuals and razor-sharp detail. Perfect for everything from productivity tasks to photo editing and even gaming. But what really sets this monitor apart is its versatility. Thanks to its USB Type-C connectivity, you can easily connect your MacBook Pro M1 with just a single cable, delivering both power and data transfer up to 60W. No need for a mess of cables cluttering up your desk. And let's talk about color accuracy. With 99% coverage of the sRGB spectrum, this monitor is a dream for photographers, graphic designers, or anyone who demands precise and lifelike colors in their work. Plus, with VESA Display HDR 400 certification, you can enjoy stunning high dynamic range visuals that truly bring your content to life. Now, don't think this monitor is just for work. With AMD FreeSync technology, you can experience smooth, tear-free gaming sessions. Whether you're battling it out in your favorite FPS or commanding armies in a real-time strategy game. Plus, with customizable game modes, you can optimize your gaming experience with just a few clicks. And let's not forget about ergonomics. The LG UltraFine monitor comes equipped with a flexible ergonomic stand that allows you to easily adjust the height, tilt, and pivot to find the perfect viewing angle for your needs. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to comfortable productivity. So there you have it, folks. The LG UltraFine UHD 27-inch 4K monitor is hands down the best 5K monitor for MacBook Pro M1 users on the market. With its stunning display, versatile connectivity, and ergonomic design, it's a true game-changer for your workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more reviews and insights on the latest tech products. Until then, happy computing!